Hi folks, welcome back to the channel, and today I have on my workbench the latest aircraft mystery bundle from Airfix. It's £100. I'm going to open the box and we're going to see what we get inside and the savings you will get if you purchase this today. So straight off the bounce we have this North American F-86 F-40 Sabre, released in 2020. I mean, the tooling was 2020, so was it 4-year-old? This boxing is 2022, 1/48 scale, and actually is a very nice kit. Another 1/48 scale Supermarine Spitfire Mark 1A in this one. On the side of the box, it's telling me that it's a 2015 tooling, so it's about 9 years old. But for a 1/48, this is a pretty good Spitfire if you want to build one in 1/48. This here, the de Havilland Vampire F3, another 1/48 kit for this mystery bundle, tooled in 2021. I haven't built this, but I've built the 1/72 scale one. According to my friends who have built this, they've really enjoyed it. It's a good little build, and this is also part of the bundle. The de Havilland Chipmunk. Now, this is a favourite to all those cadets who flew one or been in one while they're in the Air Cadets. 1/48 again for this one. This was tooled in 2021, so it's a 3-year-old tooling. So obviously the plastic inside is going to be pretty crisp. The sprues are going to be good. The glass is going to be good, and the decals are going to be good as well. The Fairy Swordfish Mark 1. This one's the 1/72 scale version. It's not 1/48. So this is the first of the 1/72 scale ones that you get. Tooled in 2011, so this is a 13-year-old kit. And like the Spitfire, a mystery bundle wouldn't be a mystery bundle without some sort of English electric lightning. The F2A, another 1/72 scale kit in this one. So that 4 1/48 to 1/72 scale kits. This one was tooled in 2013, but this boxing was 2022, I believe. Yeah, 2022. And this is going for the all metal finish on this one. And this is the final kit from this aircraft mystery bundle set. So then it's time to look at the figures, and let's just see how much you would save if you bought this aircraft mystery bundle from Airfix. The prices I'm going to share with you now are the ones that are on the Airfix website. Okay, so we're going to do our maths from that. Starting off with the 1/48 Sabre, that is going for £39.99. The Vampire 1/48 as well is £33.99. The 1/48 Spitfire, £28.99. The 1/48 scale Chipmunk is £23.99. The 1/72 scale Swordfish, that comes in at £23.99. And the 1/72 scale Lightning is also on the website at £23.99. Right then, if you add all those figures together, you're going to come up with this one, which is £174.94. So basically, take off the £100 on that, you are saving £74.94. But if you're a club member, remember that you get your 10% off any product on Airfix. So that will mean that you've only paid £90 for that, so your saving will be £84.94. You also claim your Hornby hobby points as well when you buy this mystery bundle. Because you've gone over a certain threshold, the postage and the packing is also free on this bundle. So basically, if you're going to buy these all singly, you are going to make a huge saving on buying this bundle from Airfix, and they haven't got a lot of stock left. So if you want to jump over to the website now, I will leave a link in the description box below and in the comments, so you can buy your own Airfix aircraft mystery bundle. And as I said, this is the updated one. It could change, but if it does change and you buy this and you get something a little bit different, leave me a comment below or contact me and we can discuss what you got and if it was better deal or not. Anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below, because I do reply. A huge shout out to my channel members who financially help me with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member and get some extra perks, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. Don't forget, my new book is now available on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can purchase my latest book. If you'd like to see my latest video, click here. If you want to watch other unboxings and reviews that I've done, click here.